Y'all, it's your boy Mike Lana, coming at y'all with a cooking video. This is my first cooking video. I love to cook, so I'm gonna show y'all what we about to do. First of all, we about to turn this pork loin right here, and we're gonna make a glaze to pour on top. First, we're gonna saute the pork loin with a little mixture. Then after we saute it, we're gonna pop that in the oven, put the glaze on top. It's gonna come out great. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna start with the glaze. And I'm gonna put it in this measuring cup right here. So we're gonna start off like this. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna start with the glaze. And I'm gonna put it in this measuring cup right here. So we're gonna start off like this. All right, so first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna put some syrup. Got the butter syrup. We're gonna put 1/4 of a cup. Just 1/4 of a cup of this syrup. Make it nice and sweet. Yummy, yummy in my tummy. Next, we're gonna put our spices in there. Got a little bit of ginger. Just enough, about 2 shakes. Oh, I guess I was supposed to show that. Like I said, it's my first video. Ginger. We're gonna put some of this poultry seasoning. So I got open. Alright. A little bit of that poultry seasoning. Alright. A little bit of thyme. We're gonna put some, just a little bit. A little bit of the ground thyme in there, give it a little kick. We got a special sauce, black truffle. We're gonna put this in there. Hasn't even been opened. Truffle. We're gonna put that in there. It's gonna be like a sweet tomato paste with some spices. Put some more in there. Like that. You know this stuff is that thick. That's good. Something like that. The rest of that. Alright, so do that. Damn. As you can see, the layers on here, we got the syrup, we got the molasses, we got the truffle, tomato paste. What we're gonna do, we're just gonna stir this up. They always say you gotta taste it. Goodness. That's good. So basically we're gonna stir this up and we set this to the side. Now we're gonna make the mixture on which we're gonna roll the tenderloin in and fry it on both sides or saute it on both sides for a couple of seconds. And then that's when we're gonna toss that in the oven. And then that's when we're gonna put that special glaze on there and we're gonna let that cook. So here we go. First, so first we're gonna start off with 2 tablespoons of sugar. If I can get this thing open. All right, 2 tablespoons of sugar, like so. All right, gonna do a fourth of a cup of cornstarch. We got some cornstarch. We're gonna put in here and measure that just right. I'm gonna get it all the way to the top here. All right. So we got the cornstarch. So far we got sugar and cornstarch. So next, wipe my shirt off. We got some black pepper, just a little dash. And we got some truffle sea salt. Just gonna put a little bit of that in. A little bit of truffle sea salt. All right. And then what we're gonna do from there, all right, we're gonna mix this up. All right. All right, so we got our pork loin. We're gonna pat this down because we want it dry. All right, so we're gonna pat this down, get this dry. Pat that down. Whew. Dang, extra wet. All right, once that's patted down, we're gonna move this out the way. Got a plate. All right, this is the little sugar mixture that we just made. I'm gonna put that on the plate. Gonna swirl that around a little bit. Gonna take our pork loin and we are gonna roll it in our mixture, just like so. Let's roll that in there. All right. Don't have to be perfect. Just want a little coat on there. Cool. Now let's start cooking this thing. I got some olive oil, extra virgin. Just gonna sprinkle a little bit of that in there. All right. The pan nice and hot. All right. Okay. You want to let that get hot, and then we're gonna put our loin in there. And like I said earlier, just a couple of seconds on each side. Let that get a ping in that. Alright, we're just gonna flip it again, like so. Right, so we're gonna put this inside our glass pot here. Ooh. Yeah, so we got that in the pot next. right, next we're gonna bring the sauce back out. The infamous sauce. Ooh. And then what we're gonna do with that, we're gonna take our glaze mixture. Move the camera a little closer. We're gonna take our glaze mixture. We're just gonna rub it on there. Just like that. We're gonna flip it. All right, and we're gonna throw this in the oven for a few minutes, probably like 20 minutes, get it nice and brown. What I like to do, I'm gonna do it uncovered so it can like kind of toast a little bit. And then I'm gonna put some more mixture on there and put it back in the oven, probably cover it up then, and let it get nice. All right. All right, finishing touches, your loin. Okay. Looking good. We got the carrots to go with it. All right, cool. Make sure you subscribe.
Like, comment, and share.
For some more. Peace.